Hello guys, welcome to channel IT for everyone. So today I want to show how to install the Windows 10 at the VMware. Before that, in a single line, want to say what is VMware. Actually, VMware is a most popular software to installing any OS file to this for practicing and use as well. So let's get started how to install the Windows 10 to VMware. So first you need to go at file, then new virtual machine, then next. So Windows 10 x64, that doesn't matter. I'm just getting the next, and you can rename it anything here. Suppose I'm just making it -1 because I will install another Windows 10 later. So at the browse section, things where actually you want to install this software, so I am just keeping it as usual. Next, this is the maximum disk size main. It's a hard disk, so you can increase or decrease. I'm just taking it as usual, and you need to store virtual disk as a single file. You can select that. Then next, and you need to just overview the summary from the customized hardware. Let's see. This is the memory main. It's a RAM. So RAM you can up or down. So I'm just taking at 1 GB for Windows 10. You can take 2 GB, 4 GB, nothing, no matter. And processor I'm just taking as usual. Then network adapter NAT. Actually I'm just keeping as usual. So if need any change, then I will do that later. Okay, close. Then finish. Perfect. So already it's just come at here. So right now just want to show I'm just turning on the Windows 10. So let's see what it come. Sorry, just a one mistake because I didn't select the OS file actually. So you need to just power off it here and edit again, then CD DVD option and use ISO image file. So I'm just browsing from my software. Already I have downloaded at software. I'm just selecting this I understand. Alright, then okay, then power on. So should be start right now. Still not. So where's the error actually? So okay, just if it's a reality. So when you going to install any Windows 10 even from USB, so you can face similar kind of things. So you need to just uh, try to identify what is the case. So I'm just going back to edit machine, then I'm just looking at here. No. So at here I'm just trying to identify, guys. Option, advance, yeah. So I need to select a BIOS from here, then it should be okay. Let's see. Yes, it's a start. So let's see how it's come. It will take a little bit some minute to complete the installation. Let's see. So it's the real kind of real Windows 10. So you can try from USB or CD. Everything should be the same. Okay, the next then install. Just wait for some times. Let's see what and how it's come. Okay, actually I have no the activation code because I'm using the trial version, so it's no matter. I don't have the trial, that's why I just selecting it. So it's have the multiple version of the Windows 10. So basically I'm just taking it Windows 10 Pro. Okay, then I select that here, next, and I need to this one. So it's the default hard disk. So I can create new and I can just partition this for like uh, 40 GB for hard disk and 20 GB from others. So this uh, then I can select the new. So I will show the details from only this part at the next video. So let's see, it is starting already. So guys, already it's the 98 percent completed. So let's see how it's come. So it's in the progress. Video little bit longer because I'm showing the all stage. Again guys, just want to say, if you want to install the Windows 10 from USB or CD to your laptop, so this everything stays are the same. It will take another some time. It's already going to finish, so just a moment.